Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. And if you want to add your Trustpilot review and ratings on your Shopify store to build trustworthiness among your customers and all the traffics, then this video is for you. You have to do is you have to log into your Shopify administrator section where you can find it at the left side. You can find the apps. Simply click on apps, and from here you have to simply search for Trustpilot. After searching for that, you have to simply do is you can find the trust view. This one is one of the best to use to overview or to add the Trustpilot review. Then or you can do is search Trustpilot in Spotify, the Shopify app store. You can go to redirect to the app store and you can find lots of application that works for that, but I prefer you to go with this trust view Trustpilot reviews. Now you have to simply click on it and simply click on install, or you can do is you can find this type of section on your web page, wherever you want to add. You can add it to the header or your footer section. All you have to do is you have to link your Trustpilot web page. Make sure that you have the Trustpilot page, a separate web page about your brand or the company. Then after you find that brand and company's page from here, then you can do is after submit, you can actually create a separate web page by applying on Trustpilot to collect some reviews, and it's pretty easy. You have to use your Shopify store's URL in Trustpilot with some additional information like your personal details and verification. After verifying, Trustpilot will add your web page for your Shopify store. And then after entering that Trustpilot page, that actually holding your pages or stores reviews, you have to copy that URL and simply click on connect, and you can find that your Trustpilot account is connected. After connecting that, you can find it on you can edit it or you can customize it as you want. There is different types of template that you can use to get the review, and you can also get a Trustpilot dashboard on your Shopify store. Also, you can find it at the mid of your page or at the bottom or at the top. In different types of different types of this template. Here is one type, there's another type of this, another one, and more of them just like this. So you can just get this. You can simply click on install and it will install it, and you can find it from the app store. Let me show you. And it's actually totally free trial. You can use the free trial, but you can get the monthly subscription for this $9.99 per month. So that's how you can just simply do it. Hope you got this. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.